Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. What we got going on for you today is the Godfather, right? So this is a pretty simple cocktail. 2 ingredients. Either you can use blended scotch or bourbon. I don't have any blended scotch. So I opted for option number 2, which is bourbon, right? I got a single malt. I need to up my liquor game, I guess, because I don't have any blended scotch. Anyway, back to what we're here for. So the Godfather is 2 ingredients, right? It's a bourbon or blended scotch and amaretto, right? And I'm about out. The good thing is it's only of 1/4 of an ounce, so I'm good. So this is they say it's kind of a sweet drink. I'm using some smoke wagon because it's a nice proof bourbon that's what is 50 proof, 100 proof bourbon, and it's, you know, to me, a little on the sweeter side of bourbons. But anyway, here we go. 2 ounces of bourbon. And we're only going to do 1/4 of an ounce of an amaretto. Which I had almost just 1/4 of an ounce. Going to give this a good stir now. And we got our rocks glass. Probably need a strainer. And there you have it. Noise. No. There you have it. A Godfather. All right. Let's see. For the strength of the bourbon and just 1/4 of an ounce amaretto, the amaretto tames it down a lot. So it's not a strong hitting drink. It is kind of sweet. But it ain't too sweet. I think 1/4 of an ounce is the perfect amount in this drink. And I'm kind of curious what it would be like with blended scotch instead. So look out for Godfather Part 2. Anywho, it's actually pretty good. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.